Odisha, on the east coast of India, is a gateway to the ASEAN region. With a robust industrial infrastructure ecosystem and a new investor-friendly industrial policy, Odisha is all set to be the investment destination of choice. Odisha has a long history of textile industry. The handlooms of Odisha have gained worldwide acclaim and reputation for design and quality. The government of Odisha has declared textiles, including technical textiles and apparel, as a focus sector. With the availability of raw material, a long coastline of 480 kilometers, and abundant skilled manpower, Odisha offers tremendous potential for the textile sector. The state offers opportunities across the value chain of textile sector, ranging from sourcing, spinning, weaving, processing and garmenting. With a network of ports for exports, the state provides a unique opportunity for development of integrated textile parks, processing and garment hubs.
Our interest in Odisha stems both from the ease of doing business which this government has been propagating, but also from the high quality manpower that the state of Odisha has always contributed towards apparel manufacturing.
The state is setting up an integrated textile park at Bhadrak, providing investment opportunities for textile sector units. Spread over an area of 100 acres, this integrated textile park will be a fully integrated infrastructure facility to support the entire value chain in the textile sector, providing opportunity to set up spinning, processing and garmenting units. Through seamless connectivity by road, rail, airport and seaport, the park is strategically located for prospective investors. Furthermore, the upcoming PCPIR at Paradeep, which is anchored by a 15 million metric tons per annum Indian Oil Corporation Limited refinery, provides a unique opportunity for setting up technical textile manufacturing units. The committed availability of feedstock from the refinery can be utilized to manufacture technical textiles such as Geotech, Hometech and Parktech. The Odisha industrial policy comprises of several incentives, including employment-based incentives covering reimbursement of cost of power, capital subsidy, training subsidy, subsidized rate of land for workers' hostel, land and infrastructure development support incentives covering support for setting up power substation and capital support for setting up a effluent treatment plant. Fiscal incentives including reimbursement of value-added tax, entry tax, employment cost subsidy and interest subsidy. The government of Odisha is recognized for implementation of various technological interventions including integration of services with eBiz, an online portal for synchronized and hassle-free inspections, GIS-based portal to assist in location selection, and an online portal for quick resolution of change requests. In addition, a number of other investor-friendly reforms have been implemented by the state to facilitate the investors. Odisha is committed to becoming an investment destination of choice and creating opportunities for business growth.
Odisha welcomes investors and entrepreneurs from across the globe and dreams to grow along with them.
Think investment. Think Odisha.